Hey, you were wondering which service is the best in the best web hosting category. Having looked at over 30 hosting sites, and this one has the most reliable security features. I have been using this hosting for about 10 years and it has never let me down. In this short video, I will show you 7 life hacks that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. Take a closer
Hello! If you're looking for a reliable and good service, you need to watch our review till the end. Liquid Web is a managed web host that offers feature-packed plans, commendable uptime, and terrific customer service, but its overall excellence will cost you. Businesses require robust web hosting services to maintain their online presences, and Liquid Web is one that may large brand trust. The company has a range of cloud, dedicated reseller virtual private server and WordPress server packages with enough flexibility to muscle the links of Eddie Bauer, Home Depot, National Geographic, Porsche and Symantec. Be prepared to pay premium prices for this excellent managed enterprise class service, though Liquid Web lacks a low-cost shared hosting tier. Individuals and small businesses may prefer DreamHost, HostGator and Hostwinds and Editor's Choice peaks that offer more affordably priced packages. Liquid Web excels in managed hosting. In fact, that's the reason for the service's Editor's Choice designation. With managed hosting, a business doesn't house its servers on-site. Instead, the servers are hosted at a web host's data center. That might sound like a description of what every web hosting service does, but Liquid Web goes far beyond simply serving up files remotely. The company can handle all the site's administrative duties and support tasks, regardless of complexity and scale. As you'd probably suspect, this type of service is designed with big businesses in mind. Liquid Web's managed hosting is also quite pricey, but with a big ticket comes big specs. No shared web hosting. As mentioned, Liquid Web does not offer shared web hosting, which is generally used by individuals and the smallest of businesses. If you want to dabble in the hosting category, you must look elsewhere. HostGator, the PC Mag editor's choice for shared web hosting services, is an excellent place to start. HostGator offers Linux or Windows-based shared hosting packages that give small and medium-sized businesses room to grow, starting at $2.75 per month for a 36-month plan. HostGator is the service to explore for cheap web hosting. VPS web hosting. If you want a server with significant power but without a high dedicated server price tag, check out Liquid Web's VPS servers. VPS hosting is a higher form of shared hosting, except that you deal with far more powerful and guaranteed system resources. The entry-level VPS plan, starting at $35 per month for a 12-month plan, includes 2 GB of RAM, 40 GB of solid-state drive storage, 10 TB of monthly data transfers, unlimited domains, and unlimited email. On the other end of the spectrum, Liquid Web's high-end option, starting at $115 per month, ups the ante by including 16 GB of RAM, 200 GB of SSD storage, and the option to use either Linux or Windows-based servers, the latter for $20 more per month. You can also contact Liquid Web if you want to spec out a more powerful server. Liquid Web's RAM and storage totals are the best we've seen for their price point. That's a big qualifier, however, given Liquid Web's prices. Hostwinds is the editor choice for VPS service for the SMBs. They are our main audience, but if you're shopping for enterprise-level hosting, Liquid Web is definitely worth checking out. Also, unlike many other VPS servers we have reviewed, Liquid Web only charges for the number of days you use the service per month, which comes in handy if you decide to cancel your account. Dedicated web hosting. If you're looking to build your website on the strongest possible foundation, however, you'll want to check out Liquid Web's dedicated server offerings. With dedicated hosting, your site taps a server's full system resources instead of sharing them with other sites. This is one of Liquid Web's primary offerings in terms of hosting. Cloud web hosting. Besides shared VPS dedicated and WordPress hosting, Liquid Web also offers cloud hosting. With cloud hosting, the resources that your site needs to operate are shared across multiple servers. Liquid Web cloud hosting comes in multiple tiers with Descent OS 7 Linux or Windows operating systems. The prices start at a whopping $149 per month for 15 GB of RAM, 452 GB of storage, and 5 TB of monthly data, and scale to more than $1,100 per month depending on your configuration of choice. There's a lot of flexibility should you need to expand server resources. However, DreamHost wins PC Mag Editor's choice mainly because it's available to a broader cross-section of would-be cloud hosting users than Liquid Web's higher-end managed solutions, which are in a category of their own. DreamHost has excellent packages that start at $4.50 per month for 552 MB of RAM, 80 GB of SSD storage, and unlimited monthly data transfers, and top out at $48 per month for 4 CPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, 80 GB of storage, and unlimited monthly data transfers. Reseller web hosting. If you're looking to get into the web hosting business for yourself, but you don't want to deal with managing servers, bandwidth, and other infrastructure matters, check out Liquid Web's excellent reseller web hosting packages. Liquid Web's plans, starting at $139 per month, come with an exclusive Web Host Manager Complete Solution, or WHMCS, plugin, and instant provisioning. The dedicated and VPS reseller packages are both the Linux and Windows variety, and they have the same RAM, monthly data transfers, and storage amounts as those that Liquid Web supplies directly. There are again no shared reseller hosting plans. Liquid Web also lets you apply your own branding to the servers you rent, and it supplies 24/7 tech support too. Liquid Web offers well-rounded reseller plans, but Hostwinds goes the extra mile with stacked specs in a larger variety of server categories. As a result, Hostwinds is the editor's choice for the reseller hosting. Security features. Want security? Liquid Web got you covered. The company offers firewalls, secure socket layer SSL, virtual private networks VPN, malware scanning and removal, and much more. Some features come bundled with specific packages, while others you'll need to purchase as add-ons. Liquid Web has free nightly backups too, which will safeguard you should your site suffer massive damage. Highly dependable uptime. Website uptime is one of the most important aspects of a hosting service. If your site is down, clients or customers will be unable to find you or access your products or services. You do not want that. Fortunately, Liquid Web is incredibly dependable. We use a website monitoring tool to track my test site's uptime over a 2-week period. Every 15 minutes, the tool pings my website and sends an email if it is unable to contact the test site for at least 1 minute. The data revealed that the Liquid Web did have one brief failure over the course of the past 14 days. That said, it appeared to be an isolated incident, as the service delivered strong uptime for months. Excellent customer service. Liquid Web boasts an excellent, heroic support customer service team, a squad of knowledgeable people who assist you in under a minute if you reach out by phone, in under 30 minutes if you submit a help desk ticket, and in under 59 seconds if you reach out by chat. Sounds good? Yes, it is. We fired up the web chat on a weekday morning to ask a representative about the difference between cloud hosting and traditional hosting. A rep came to our aid seconds later and gave us a friendly, thorough explanation. We were impressed with the response's speed and thoroughness. Since Liquid Web is pricey, it's unfortunate that the service lacks the standard 30-day money-back guarantee, which is typical in the web hosting industry. The company only offers pro-rated refunds on monthly cloud servers, and most of its other services are non-refundable. Considering the amount of money that a company is likely to spend for Liquid Web hosting, it would be nice to see more refund options. Liquid Web contends that's impossible because most services are custom-tailored to the user. In contrast, other hosting options have money-back guarantee periods. DreamHost has an impressive 97-day money-back guarantee, for example. expensive, but highly capable for big biz. Without question, Liquid Web is one of the most powerful web hosts PC Mac has reviewed, and it's a clear editor's choice for managed web hosting. It has numerous packages with absolutely killer specs that will cost you a pretty penny. Liquid Web may not have shared hosting packages, but the company's excellent, dedicated, and VPS hosting are enough to place it among the web hosting elite. That's not to say that DreamHost, HostGator, or Hostwinds are irrelevant. Far from it. They remain editor's choice overall award winners for those who need more wallet-friendly web hosting options. Still, if your business requires high-powered managed web hosting, Liquid Web will do the job, and do the job very well.